If you have ever tried organic gardening, you know the absolute frustration of dealing with an aphid or mealybug infestation. You see the white, fuzzy clusters destroying your favorite plant. So you grab your spray bottle filled with water and add your pesticide, whether a DIY organic pesticide or neem oil, and you drench your plant. But watch closely. The water doesn't drown them. It doesn't wash them away. It just beats up into perfect little spheres and rolls right off the plant. Why? Because pests like mealybugs and aphids have evolved to wear a microscopic suit of armor. To defeat them, we can't just blast them with water and pesticide mix. We have to fundamentally change the laws of physics using 10 simple drops of this liquid from your kitchen sink. Let's shrink down and see what is actually happening on the surface of your plant's leaf. Here at the cellular level, water behaves very differently than you might expect. Water molecules love to stick together. They hold tightly onto one another in a process called cohesion, creating high surface tension. This tension forces the water to pull inward, forming perfectly round, heavy, bouncy beads. Now look at the mealybugs resting on the leaf tissue. It isn't just a soft, vulnerable insect. It is densely covered in a hydrophobic, water-repelling, waxy powder. When a giant, high-tension water droplet crashes down onto the bug, the water refuses to break apart. It strikes the waxy armor, bounces off, and leaves the pest completely dry and unharmed. But watch the incredible chain reaction that happens when we add just 10 drops of liquid dishwash soap to our DIY pesticide spray or our favorite neem oil pesticide spray. Soap acts as a chemical surfactant. Let's zoom in even closer, right down to the molecular structure of the liquid. The soap molecules act like microscopic wedges. They aggressively force their way between the water molecules, violently slicing through those tight cohesive bonds. The surface tension collapses instantly. Instead of forming a tight bouncy bead, the liquid completely flattens out, spreading like a suffocating, inescapable blanket across the entire surface of the leaf. Now, watch the mealybug as this modified liquid hits it. Because the surface tension is broken, the soapy liquid doesn't bounce off. It sticks to the leaf and chemically interacts with the pest's defenses. The soap acts as a solvent, effectively melting away the insect's protective waxy coating. Without this waxy barrier, the pest's soft body is completely exposed to the elements. The insect rapidly loses its internal moisture, dehydrating and dying within minutes, all without a single drop of toxic synthetic chemicals. This microscopic chemistry lesson is the exact reason why plain water or simple mixtures often fail to clear an infestation. Whether you're making a DIY neem oil spray, applying a baking soda fungicide, or using any other pesticide, you must always add roughly about 10 drops of liquid dishwash soap per liter of water into your mix. It breaks the surface tension, allowing your valuable spray to stick directly to the leaves instead of rolling off and wasting your time. Most importantly, it is the master key that melts the waxy coating of pests, ensuring your organic treatments can actually penetrate and do their job. Just remember to coat the undersides of the leaves where the pests actually hide, and only spray in the early morning or late evening. Never in the hot midday sun, so the solution has the time to work without evaporating instantly. For more science-backed gardening secrets, make sure you subscribe to Garden Tips to join our community of over 1 million gardeners, and click the next video on the screen to rescue the rest of your indoor jungle.